Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what go on, you know. Franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. And you know it go already, you know, when I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. You know it go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no, man. Hey, I'm the people's champion. What you mean? Watch me, no, man. A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. I'm the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. You mean a Gaza nation? Right about now, you know, all those drop tumble on them, you know. I don't know, you know, if, you know, it's a certain capital C you are go around and the people them lock in, why the man them a behave like a drag queen, you know. So me don't know. Here I go on. Right now, you know.
This can't post it up.
Yo, you see bad one? I bad one this. What do so?
I don't know, you know if I chew popcorn wild out on CMR. Right now CMR I show popcorn say him a bigger chichi wine of Evie, him sister, and on a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? Hey CMR, you a batty boom boom. You wind up yourself like you have pum pum. It don't look right, it don't look good. Like you wine from Boy George when you're there alone done. Watch. Right now, you know, I don't know what go on. If the man them a dancehall queen, or if them a chichi whiner, or probably CMR used to wine for the soldier them when him in the marine, because you know a be a man there together and a woman not there. So I don't know, but Gaza Nation, a loud explosion when necessary equipment drop, because the man them wire popcorn bad, be a YY for popcorn. I mean I know if a competition him a run with the man. But Gaza Nation, no further delay. Mr. Video Man, please play. Watch. General 10-star.